Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save Instagram photos and videos in your gallery. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So if you have a post or a profile, for example a video, all you have to do is to click on the post that you have. Then from here, click on the three dots. Then in the three dots, one of the options is going to be download if it's a reel. Now, if you don't have that, then simply go back. Go to the top left section where you can see the three dots right here. Click on it. Then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see a section that is called Your App and Media, Device Permissions, and under it, Archiving and Downloading. Click on it. And as you can see, saving to archive, save story to archive, but also under it, importantly, saving to camera roll, make sure that it is turned on, and save story to gallery, also turned on. This will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram feed camera to your camera roll and even the ones that you have posted. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.